So the Master of Science Chemistry is a research-heavy but coursework degree. Over the 2 years, you do 200 points of subjects. 125 points of those will be your research project, and then the other 75 points will be made up of coursework subjects. And that will be a mix of chemistry, specialist coursework subjects, and some of the fantastic professional skills subjects that we offer in the Faculty of Science, which includes communication skills, business skills, ethics, other types of relevant practical skills. Well, the Master of Science Chemistry is designed for people with a Bachelor of Science majoring in chemistry or a related discipline. So we also take students who've got a major in maybe biochemistry or pharmacology or perhaps chemical physics. They're welcome to join our course as well. The Master of Industrial Research Chemistry, the background of the students is the same. The difference is that the research project is specifically an industrial research project where they go out, actually join one of our industry partners and go out to industry and do their research there. The coursework structure is a little bit different as well, so it's just really got that more industrial focus. I would say that chemistry is the central science. In a way, chemistry underpins biology at the molecular level. It underpins earth sciences and atmospheric sciences. It underpins materials science and technological development. So at the crux of all those things, you're talking about atoms and molecules. And when you're talking about molecules, that's really the domain of chemistry. In terms of the challenges that are facing the world today, you can think of grand challenges to do with providing clean water for everyone, food security, energy, sustainable development. There's chemistry related to all of those things. So I think chemistry is really important. We have a standalone School of Chemistry, which is a large school. We encompass chemistry ranging across all areas of chemistry, which is organic, inorganic, analytical, physical, environmental and theoretical chemistry. We also have access to the Bio21 Institute. Half of our school is actually located there. And we house the ARC Centre of Excellence in Exciton Science, which is another fantastic program that students involved can be associated with. There's definitely a major research project associated with the Master of Science Chemistry. So a student will come in and they'll join one of our 25 research groups, either in the main School of Chemistry or over in the Bio21 Institute. So they'll be ensconced in that research group, working with PhD students and postdoctoral researchers, and of course their supervisor on a specific chemistry project, and that will take place over the 2 years of their full-time degree. Well, some of our Master of Science Chemistry projects are done in collaboration with industry partners, but if a student's really keen on an industry-based project, then we also offer the Masters of Industrial Research Chemistry as a separate degree, where a student's actually embedded in a company or research organisation where they do that really industrially focused project. Well, our Master of Science Chemistry graduates are in great demand, and they are able to get jobs in actually quite a range of sectors, especially here in Melbourne. It's a good place for them. So that includes in the chemical industry, perhaps in the polymer industry, or in biotech, or out in environmental consulting and those types of things, or environmental analysis and analytical labs as well. We also have students who go off into the IP area and become patent attorneys. We have students, of course, who go off into teaching, and it's great to have really well qualified chemistry teachers going and science teachers going out into our schools, and people go to the public service and places like the EPA and CSIRO and other government organisations as well, making use of their chemistry. And as well as that, there are always students who want to continue on with research and continue on focusing on academic chemistry, and the Master of Science Chemistry is an excellent foundation to go on and do a PhD in chemistry. So for anyone who's passionate about chemistry, the Master of Science Chemistry at the University of Melbourne is a fantastic degree, and I would definitely recommend it.